Salut! Hi everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Umut and I am a certified French teacher with 8 years of experience. In this video, we will cover how to introduce yourself in French, one of the most essential skills when learning a new language. Let's get started. First, let's start with basic greetings. Listen to me first and repeat after me. Bonjour. 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 Bonsoir. Bonsoir. Salut. Salut. And this is a friendly way to say hi. Salut. Coucou. This one is quite fun to say. Coucou. Very informal. And we have ça va. Ça va. Ça va. That means how are you? Let's repeat from the beginning. Bonjour. Here we can say it longer. Bonjour. Bonsoir. Salut. Coucou. Ça va. Now let me show you 5 easy phrases to introduce yourself. Use this to create your own introduction. Je suis. Je suis. Umut. And you say your name. Je suis Umut. Or you could say je m'appelle. Je m'appelle Umut. And then you say your name. Je viens de. Je viens de. And then you say the country you are from. Let's see an example. Je viens de Turquie. Je viens de Turquie. Je viens du Canada. Je viens du Canada. Je viens des États-Unis. So here we link the words. Je viens des États-Unis. Let's see how we say our age. J'ai un. J'ai 35 ans, for instance. J'ai 35 ans. Here you say your age. Finally, let's see how we express what we like in French. J'aime. This is what we use. J'aime. J'aime le français. J'aime le français. J'aime voyager. J'aime voyager. J'aime cuisiner. J'aime cuisiner. After introducing yourself, you might want to ask simple questions. Let's see how we do it. Et toi? Et toi? And you? Et toi? Comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles? Tu viens d'où? Tu viens d'où? Tu as quel âge? Tu as quel âge? C'est quoi ta profession? C'est quoi ta profession? Tu aimes quoi? Tu aimes quoi? These are very informal questions. Let's repeat. Et toi? Comment tu t'appelles? Tu viens d'où? Tu as quel âge? C'est quoi ta profession? Tu aimes quoi? Finally, let's learn how to say goodbye in French. The most common one is à bientôt. À bientôt. Ciao. Ciao. This one is borrowed from Italian and we use it a lot. Ciao. Or you could say à la prochaine. À la prochaine. Bonne journée. Bonne journée. Bonne soirée. Bonne soirée. Let's repeat. À bientôt. Ciao. À la prochaine. Bonne journée. Bonne soirée. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to check out my other videos for beginners. I also have a course for beginners where I cover all the basics. You can sign up for free and I will leave the link in the description. Merci et à bientôt.